Hello everybody, this is Maryam and I am 12 years old. I am a BMT patient, 2 years post BMT transplant, and I'm gonna tell you about my story and my experiences and give you some advice. And of course, I'm gonna tell you about my experience. So my story starts from 2 years ago, 2017, somewhere between June and July. And of course, I was admitted. My doctor told me that it might be some kind of disease. So she told me that she recommended me some hospital known as Apollo Hospital Cancer Institute, where I found Dr.Padmaja Lokireddy. She told me that you have a plastic anemia, you better be in BMT. I was in BMT in 2 weeks. She told me that you have to take precautions, a lot of precautions, and you have to be safe, you have to be careful because your body is really weak. If you even fall down or you get a fever, you have to get admitted in a hospital as soon as possible, because any kind of infection enters your body. And then if I even got in relapse, I had this tablet named cyclosporin, and in first 3 months after the transplant, and in 6 months of my transplant, I got relapse where my disease got returned to my body. I was almost died, almost. I didn't die, but I didn't give up. I don't know what was going on. So I was just chilling on the bed. Chill, don't think positive, don't think negative, just live on your prayer, nothing else. And after second transplant, after getting the relapse, my doctor told me to get precautions. Don't need that, don't need this. When your body is really weak and blood counts start to go up, you suddenly eat starting going out, you will fall down. You will fall down and you get back to the state where you were admitted in hospital. And of course, you have to think about what to do and what to do not do. You have to think about what kind of precautions, what kind of statement, what kind of things you have to do, where do you have to live, how do you have to live, when time you have to take tablets, and what kind of work does tablets do, what kind of side effects they do. If that side effects will be really painful, and they will be really painful, the whole body will pain. So just take a painkiller and sleep. That's what I always do. I get headache every single 2 days. It's something like that. I have my doctor assistant. Her name is Susie ma'am. She helps me a lot of things in eating and going out and doing whatever I do. So you better take permission of doctor whatever you do before, because taking a permission of doctor is really advisable and really meaning. So when you don't take a permission of doctor what you are doing, and you go suddenly in pollution in traffic, or you eat something you shouldn't have, then you might be in trouble. You get back to the hospital. In 2 years, I got admitted in hospital so many times, several times, and I got bad. Sometimes because of the side effects of my cyclosporin, it's tablet that protects your body from infection, but it also has a lot of side effects where my body was almost all painful. My body was all painful. I cannot move. I was on bed for a whole week, 2-3 weeks, and I got up and I got fever. Then I was relapsed. Then I got on bed just to chill, never think positive and negative, and always be a good choice, and always listen to your doctor, listen to your parents. You can see your parents cry, but they cry in front of you when they cannot cry. Remember. And be always good. You can grow, you can eat, you can see your beauty coming back to you. You can be a person who can play. Try to enjoy yourself. Even if you're in a lonely room, try to enjoy yourself as much as you can in room. Be in mobile, do whatever you want, just don't get out of your limit where you have to be, just be there. Because fighting with your disease is and getting out of, don't stress, listen to songs, play games, whatever. See TV, just chill out, don't get everything even going down. Listen, what else gonna come to me? Nothing is gonna come to me. Just be, you can survive that. And I'm just staying in room for past 2 years. There's nothing. I'm kinda used to it. So you better not give up. It's better to be positive, chill, and always be like good. Don't think that you're really ugly, or like don't think that you don't love yourself. Love yourself, and always be positive. That's all I want to say, and don't give up. Bye.